Hey Jules, Wigs clocking in, and today's video is going to be sponsored by Temu, T-E-M-U. I was being very impatient, so I went ahead and opened the package as soon as I got it. But this is the wig. It's a 16-inch 4x4 lace front. Let's pull it out. This wig does not have a bad smell at all. Look at the density here. It's straight, but I think when I get it applied, I think I'm gonna get it curled up. Let's look at the lace front. So it's a 4x4, so it's a very short closure. It does not go ear to ear, but what I do like about it is that it has the pins, the clips on the side. You see the left, the right, and the back. So this wig kind of fits me because I don't have to have a 4x4 that goes ear to ear all the time. I like something I can just throw on, clip the sides and the back end, put a cap over it if I want to dress down, and then just clip the sides and curl it if I want to dress it up. Now let's take a look at the lace, guys. It's not quite HD, but I do feel like it is hitting close to HD. Look at that. You can see straight through it. You can actually barely see a little bit of beige. The knots are very, very small, so it's going to give natural and it's going to be giving scalp. Look at that. When you put this here, you can see straight through it. Definitely going to be giving scalp if you lay it correctly. I'm super excited to get this applied and and it's already also pre-plucked as well. I know you girls like to pluck away, but in case you're in a rush or you just want to do something real quick and easy, you do not have to pre-pluck this wig. All right, we're going to get ready to go ahead and get into the install of the wig now, but I did want to mention that this is a 16-inch wig, 4x4 closure, but on Temu, T-E-M-U, they also have different lengths. They have 16, 18, it goes up to 22, 24. I think it goes all the way up to 30. So if you like the way this comes out on me, you can definitely go on Temu and get a different length. I know you girls like long wigs. I'm kind of basic, but I'm stepping out of my box. But I just wanted to let you know this is not the only length wig that they have on there. And you see how she's running her fingers through the wig? There is absolutely no shedding whatsoever. And like I said earlier, there's no bad smell. You can pull the ends, and let's see how much comes out by pulling the ends kind of aggressively. Nothing is actually coming out on the ends either, so we're good there as well.